Hello, everyone. Welcome to Court with Krissy. When the judge says you have to stay away, sorry, girl, you just can't go there. No more dicks for you. The sporting goods store, of course. I hope you like it. Court with Krissy is now in session.
Good morning.
Morning.
Merry
What is your name?
Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. What is your name?
Mallory Nicole Flenna.
Okay, I have two files here on this matter, counsel.
Your Honor, the
Okay,
ROA,
yeah.
the ROA that I was provided is just for a failure to appear on a narcotics possession case. There was a disorder. It looks like it was reduced to disorderly person. You say two files. I'm assuming it's the second one, retail fraud, maybe?
That is correct. Retail fraud,
Auburn
retail
Hills.
fraud first
Okay.
offense.
Yeah. So the defendant was actually, she knew what she was in there. She told me about the retail fraud. So she's on probation for the very same offense. So she understands the nature of the offense, waives the reading there. And she also knows that there will be a probable cause hearing in the next 5 to 7 days in a probation violation. Strike that, a preliminary exam within 21 days. She understands all that. She's been advised of her rights, both on the felony and on the FTA. I'm going to ask you to enter a plea of not guilty on both of those. And
Okay, let me do this. So I'm going to call this first case 24-006540. In matter of Mallory Flenna. Ma'am, just state your full name again for the record in this file.
Mallory Nicole Flenna. And what was that first
Okay,
case
this is-
you wanted to call?
This is the retail fraud first degree matter. And counsel, what was your what did you want to say about bond in this first file?
I mean, she's aware of, she is aware. I first of all, I need you to, only on this case. So we're going to recall the bench run on the next one. I verified her address. She's on probation in Warren. She's also in probation at Judge Rowe. I believe that she's going to be getting the assistance of drug court out of Warren because she's a Macomb resident, and all she has to do is live in that county to get that. Oakland has a similar drug court, but I think Warren's would take precedent because of where she lives. So she is going to be seeking some assistance on that. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm just looking for a low bond if possible. Everybody is, I guess, but
Defendant does have, as you've indicated, counsel, pending probation matter out of Warren. Sixth Circuit court matter is still pending. History of substance abuse is a felony matter. Based on that, court's going to set a bond in this file in the amount of $3,000 cash surety, no 10%. I do have some other matters, ma'am. You are not to have any direct or indirect contact with any complaining witnesses in this matter, or
Okay.
employees, and hold on, employees of Dick's Sporting Goods store.
okay.
Hold on.
You said
hold
no
on.
cash surety?
Hold on. I'm gonna ask you some questions at the end, so you'll get a chance. Just let me go through it. So 3,000 cash surety, no 10%. You're not to have any direct or indirect contact with any complaining witnesses in this matter, including Dick's employees of Dick's Sporting Goods. You will not return to the premises of any Dick's Sporting Goods store, including the one at 4780 Baldwin Road in Auburn Hills. You will not assault, beat, molest, or in any way verbally harass, intimidate, or threaten any witnesses in this matter. Personally appear for all court appearances. Do not leave the state of Michigan without permission of the court. If you should change your address or phone number, let the court know that immediately. Are you still on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You will not possess any firearms or other dangerous weapons. You shall refrain from using alcohol, any form of THC, marijuana, illegal drugs, or abusing any medication You will be ordered to test 2 times a week for alcohol and drugs. You must contact pretrial services within 24 hours of your release. That's at the 52-3 District Court in Rochester Hills. Court-appointed counsel is granted in this matter. Pick up no new criminal offenses while you're out on bond. So my question to you, do you understand your bond conditions in this file? Do you understand
No,
what I
I'm
read off?
asking what my bond is. I can't hear you if you're
Yeah.
saying no cash surety.
No, yeah, 3,000 cash surety on this file. So do you understand
Does
your
that mean
bond conditions in this
300?
file? Let me just answer my question first, and then we'll get yours. Do you understand what I read off to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what questions do you have for your attorney?
3,000 cash surety. Is that gonna be a $300 bond?
It depends on on what bondsman you get in touch with.
What?
You have to contact the bondsman. They'll tell you exactly how much you have to pay down.
Okay, and then if I were to bond out right now, I have holds, right? I wouldn't get out?
Your Honor, I don't know that she has any holds. I don't have access to the
No,
jail.
I don't know if she has any holds, but there's a probation matter out of Warren, 6th Circuit Court out of Oakland that let me double check and see if it actually have any holds on her for that. She can check with the deputies there. They'll tell her if she has any holds
Okay,
on her. So
that's
she should
fine.
ask
Thank you, sir.
that question of the deputies. All right, good luck to you, ma'am.
All right,
Thank you.
wait a minute. Wait, hold on. Don't.
Oh, yeah, we have one more file. Yep, hold on, yep.
Woo.
Jim
second
shoes over
here.
here.
She's got a Rochester matter, Your Honors.
Yep, I'm going over that one right now.
Excuse me. Should have let me brush my hair before I came down here.
All right, calling case 23-006726 is also in the matter of Mallory Nicole Flenna, Flenna. Counsel appearance on this file.
Michael L. Steinberg, P43481 on behalf of Ms. Flenna. This is a bench warrant case. I'm asking you to recall the bench warrant at this time. The allegation is failing to appear for sentencing. She understands the nature of offense, waive the reading. She knows her rights in that part of the case as well, too. She's asking for counsel for sentencing on that as well.
Okay, the court will recall the bench warrant in this matter as well, and plead not guilty on your client's behalf. Any thoughts on bond on this? Any thoughts on bond on this file, counsel, being that she's incarcerated?
She feels she has the ability to make bond. She's asking.
No, I don't. No, I don't. I really would like a low bond.
That's what I
Right.
just said. You did.
Oh.
You got to listen, Miss Flynn, instead of interrupting, please.
Sorry about that. Sorry.
Your Honor, I was asking for a low bond as you did in the other, because she can make bond if it's a low bond. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, counsel. This matter. There was a previous bond set at just October the 29th of 24. The bond was set at 1,500 cash surety. I'm going to leave the bond where it is, 1,500 cash surety on this matter. This matter will be scheduled for a show cause and sentencing. All previous bond conditions remain in effect on this file. Just make sure you personally appear for all your court appearances and do not leave the state of Michigan without permission of the court. If you change your address or phone number, let the court know. Pick up no new criminal offenses. Like I've indicated, the bench warrant has been recalled in this matter. Do you understand your bond conditions in this file now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you're all set. You can walk out the back. They should be able to let you out. The door should be open,
Merry
actually.
Christmas.
Okay.
Excuse me? Would somebody be able to tell me size?
I'm sorry that I raised my voice to straight.